Welcome back to the channel. Now today, bro, we are playing this weird game and it's called SpongeGlock SquarePants. Welcome. God, shut the fuck back up. What? I'm starting to see the chat.
Yes, sir, that's very good.
The guards only gave Orm a tiny amount of water every day, but it wasn't because they feared he would die of thirst. What they truly feared was, once Orm touched enough water, he would return to the ocean and regain all of his power. To keep Orm under control, the guards built the prison deep inside a remote desert. For an entire year, Orm suffered from extreme thirst, while constantly constantly being beaten by the guards. With his powers gone, he had almost no chance of escaping, but the guards didn't know Aquaman had already infiltrated the prison. He sent an octopus named Topo through the pipes to find the switch controlling the main gate. Then Aquaman put on invisible armor and silently entered the prison. Before the guards could even see him clearly, they fell one after another. When the cell door opened, the tortured Orm finally saw his brother again, but they had no time to talk because more guards were rushing over. Orm picked up a weapon from the ground and hauled Aquaman out of the cell. The brothers moved forward together, taking down guards along the way. With Topo's help, they successfully opened the prison gate and escaped. The moment